This video is all about getting your legs to look more attractive. To all the shoe lovers out there, you will really enjoy watching this video. It's going to be fun. I'm going to introduce you to the one item in your wardrobe you never knew were missing. I promise you, by the time you finish watching this video, you will never look at your legs the same way again. Let's get started. If you're like me, legs are pretty important to feel comfortable showing. I can wear a potato bag, and if my legs are in good shape, I'm ready to roll. But because of all the prep time, I just end up going for pants because they hide everything, don't they? Today I want to show you how to instantly fix any imperfections and walk out the door with the outfit you really want to wear without holding back. Let me picture a new perspective for you. What would you do without makeup? If you would walk out the door every day without covering your face with foundation and concealer, that's how important pantyhose are. They're the foundation for your legs. Thumbs up if you like the video or thumbs down if you don't. I'd like to know either way. Let's take a look side by side and see just how visible the difference is. Here you can see the actual texture and how sheer they look. We're also going to be trying them on. I told you this is going to be fun. So now that you know how fabulous they look, let's see how do we actually pick the pantyhose. So there's 3 steps. Step 1, pick your size. Step 2, pick the den. And then step 3, pick your shade. So let's take a look at den. How do you pick the den? Usually it's on the front of the package, and in the back you will pick your size based on a combination of height and weight. If you're on the lower end of the spectrum, I suggest sizing up. Adding pantyhose to your wardrobe is a big step, especially if you're not used to them, and let's face it, not a lot of people wear them. So if you're feeling a bit too shy and not ready to show that much skin, don't be discouraged. I have the perfect trick for this. Black pantyhose. I highly recommend to try on the sheer black, especially for a work look or a more conservative everyday look, because you do want to feel comfortable around friends and family and kids without flashing them with too much gorgeousness. The next ones are the black ones. These are the really thick den, which you're probably used to. They're my favorite to wear in winter. Who says that you can't wear skirts and dresses in winter? I wear them almost daily. When picking the shade, try to match as close as possible to your own skin or slightly darker. Let's talk about actual benefits. Blurring imperfections. Depending on how fast and thick your hair grows, you can probably get away even with day 2 or 3 of unshaved legs without anyone noticing. Comfort. Looks aside, the main reason why I wear them is because it protects my feet from rubbing against the shoes, thus less blisters. And finally, shaping. The secret tummy tuck, hip control, high tie control, you name it. It's all nicely hugged and gives a slight lift to smooth out all surfaces. Caring for the pantyhose is really important. You can wash by hand or use a delicate bag, then air dry. Quality does matter. If I wanted this item to be a staple in my wardrobe, which it is, I had to find a brand that would last as many washes as possible. I will link my favorite brand in the description box below. Also comment below and let me know what brands work for you. Don't forget to take a picture of the box so you can remember for next time. If you want to learn more about how to wear them with pants, check out my next video, The Real No-Show Socks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.